Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to Revolut. So let's get into the video. So open up Revolut and then log into your Revolut account. So once I've logged into your Revolut account here, so you're going to hit on these add money options. So click on this add money, hit on your add money option, and then change how do you want to make the payment. If you hit on this payment option, you will have your linked cards here or your other method. You can just choose however you want to pay, so just choose that. Once that's done, and then here what you have to do is simply select the amount that you wish to transfer. So how much you want to send, you can just type that in, and then once that's done, so all you have to do is hit on add money securely. So when you hit on add money securely, it will take you to the confirmation page where you'll be able to prompt your password, so I mean your Revolut password, and then you could authorize your payment from your, since I have selected bank option, so I have to authorize my my banking details. So once that's done, and that's it, money will be added, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.